Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to convert Photopea image to PSD layout file. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Photopea software and open your image on this document. Now we can see here 4 image. The all image is the separated layer. You can move any image anywhere, otherwise resize any image. Press Ctrl T and resize this. Now we want to convert this Photopea image to PSD. Go to the file menu, select this export as option, otherwise you can select this save as PSD option. Now I am select this save as PSD, then choose your file location and rename your file name. Now I am write Photopea. Then we can see here the file type is PSD. Now I am click save, then wait some moment to saving the file as a PSD. Then go to our file location and check the file. We can see here the file. Now I am open my Photoshop, then open the file on Photoshop. Wait some moment to opening the Photoshop software. We can see here the Photoshop. Now I am open this file. Go to the file menu, select this open option and open the file. Here the Photopea PSD. Now I am open this. Then select the move tool and move the file anywhere. Now I am open the layer option. We can see the all image is separated layer. Now we can see we convert the Photopea image to PSD very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.